Hey everyone, I'm David, and I am a computer science student. I'm learning Python because I want to get into data science and automation, not just memorize syntax for exams. So, I'm building this series to teach Python the practical way. If you're learning too, we'll figure it out together. Today, we're writing our first Python program. Let's get started. Right, so this is PyCharm, the tool we'll be using to write and run our Python code. To get started, you'll need to create a new project. You do that by clicking the New Project button. You'll give it a name. I called mine Python Basic Series, and then you'll click Create. I've already created mine, so I'm just going to open it. Great. So now my project is open. Next, you'll create a new Python file, either by right-clicking on the file name and then hitting New, and then Python, or hitting the plus button. You can name it whatever you want. Mine is called Episode 1. So now we have a blank file, and this is where we'll write code. Right. Here's your first line of Python code. I want you to type exactly what I have. This is called a print statement. All it does is tell Python what to display on the screen. In this case, we're printing the message, welcome to Python. Notice the parentheses and quotation mark. Those are important. Python needs them to understand that this is text we want to display. This seems basic, but when you're analyzing data later, you'll use print statements consistently to check your work and debug your code. Now, let's run the program and see what happens. And look at that. At the bottom of the screen, you can see our message, welcome to Python. Congratulations, you just ran your first Python program. This might look small, but this is literally how everything starts. Every data analyst tool, every automation script, every project you'll ever build, it all starts with understanding how to tell Python what to do. Here's your first challenge. I want you to write 3 different print statements. They can be about anything. Introduce yourself, share why you're learning Python, say something random, whatever you want. I'll do mine first. So I wrote 3 different print statements. Each one will show up on its own line. When you run the... Now, here's your first challenge. I want you to write... Here's your first challenge. I want you to write 3 print statements. They can be about anything. Introduce yourself, share why you're learning Python, say something random, whatever you want. I'll do mine first. So I wrote 3 different print statements. Each one will show up on its own line when we run the program. Now let's run the program again and see what happens. Perfect. All 3 lines showed up exactly how we wrote them. Now it's your turn. Pause the video, write your own 3 print statements, and run your program. If you see your message on screen, you officially started coding. For episode 1, you just wrote your first Python program, and honestly, that's a huge step. I know this episode was basic, just print statements, but here's the thing. You can't analyze data or build automation tools until you understand how to tell Python what to do. We're starting simple on purpose. By episode 15, you'll be reading real data sets. Episode 25, you'll be building automation scripts. But it all starts here, with understanding the fundamentals. Stick with me. In the next episode, we'll start making programs that interact with you, asking questions and responding to your answers. It's going to be way more fun. If you got stuck anywhere or have any questions, drop a comment below. I'm learning too, so we can figure it out together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in episode 2.